Pre-P9. This is what happened on Friday the 17th. We talked about narrative options. Those are in Google Classroom. You'll have your choice of 3 different options, one of them being set during the time of Mice and Men, Great Depression, Dust Bowl, etc. Your second one is more of a generic with some artistic license, but it's still a narrative telling a story, following a set storyline. There's things they all have in common. You'll see that link in Google Classroom. And your last option is a personal essay that would be very helpful for your personal narrative that will be attached to your college applications. That one has some more resources attached, but the bottom line is they'll all be graded using the same rubric, and they will all be 100 points or thereabouts. I have to create the rubric this weekend. But they'll all have the exact same grading criteria, etc., because it is writing a narrative. So please take a look at those and know which one you would like to do when you come in on Monday. So again, 3 options, 1 rubric, all equal. Some may be more creative, some more useful. It's cleanup day. We did this all together. We did Braving the Wilderness. That popped up as something new, but we've read it and discussed it in class, so the questions shouldn't be hard. We pretty much walked through the exact answers while we were in class, although we didn't do the one in Study Sync, but the questions are valid. Please take a look at this and make sure you complete it. You do not have to do the right section of this one. So even if it says, is this what you want to do? Yes, submit it. You do not do the writing section on the independent read Braving the Wilderness. On first read, St. Lucy's Home for Girls Raised by Wolves, there are not anything questions attached to yours. It's like a 9-question quiz or something. We did answers in class. Do what you can, get that in. These probably are going in the grade book, but either way, we have to get them done. Your compare and contrast St. Lucy's Home for Girls. There are like 3 to 4 questions in there. They're not terribly challenging, and they're comparing and contrasting these 2 pieces. So get that done as well. Those are due before you come in Monday, please. Now, I signed on Friday and do want these due also before you come in on Monday. Your first read of The Necklace, there are questions, quiz questions. There are also 5 think questions attached. Yes, I want you to do them. I think you can answer them in about 3 to 4 sentences, so they're not lengthy responses. You're basically restating the question, giving an answer, giving text evidence, and explaining that evidence, and you can do that in about 3 sentences. Theme, The Necklace, is in there too. Again, I think there's like 3 questions. It's not hard. You should be able to do that. Please get that done this weekend. And we'll be picking up with Chapter 3 of Mice and Men on Monday. We have a fairly aggressive reading schedule before the end of the term. So please do your job. I'm going to continue to attempt to do mine, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care. Have a great weekend.